This food makes your blood flow like a 20-year-old man's natural power secret. Gentlemen, today we're going to talk about something every man should know. Not as a joke, but as a truth about health, confidence, and vitality. Because let's be honest, as we grow older, stress, poor food choices, and lifestyle habits slowly take away the power that once made us feel unstoppable. But what if I told you? There's a simple natural food that can restore that fire. That can make your body so strong, your energy so powerful, your wife might literally be shocked by your renewed confidence. This is not about shortcuts, not about pills. This is about real science, real nutrition, and real results. Small Blue Diamond Part 1. The hidden reason men lose power. Most men think getting older means getting weaker. That's not true. What's actually happening inside your body is blood flow restriction. As we age, the arteries that once carried oxygen-rich blood freely through your body, including your most private area, begin to stiffen. Sugar, processed food, and lack of exercise damage the inner lining of your blood vessels. The result? Less nitric oxide, less circulation, and less energy. So when you feel tired, when your drive is low, or when your performance drops, it's not age. It's poor blood flow. Small Blue Diamond Part 2. The natural food that reverses it. The food I'm talking about is beetroot. Yes, that simple red vegetable you may have ignored all your life could become your most powerful ally. Here's why. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, the very molecule that opens up your blood vessels and improves circulation everywhere. When your blood flows better, oxygen and nutrients reach every organ, including your heart and reproductive organs, making them stronger, healthier, and more responsive. It's like giving your arteries a deep cleaning from the inside. In one study, men who drank beetroot juice daily for 2 weeks saw a significant boost in stamina, endurance, and blood flow. But that's not all. Beetroot also reduces blood pressure, increases testosterone naturally, boosts mitochondria, your cell's energy engines, enhances muscle performance. So yes, beetroot doesn't just give you energy, it awakens your manhood. Small Blue Diamond Part 3. How to use it correctly. Now before you rush to the store, here's how to use it right. Raw or juice form. Drink half a glass, about 100 to 150 milliliters, of pure beetroot juice every morning on an empty stomach. You can add a bit of carrot or apple for taste. Cooked form. You can also eat it boiled or roasted with olive oil. Consistency. The magic happens with consistency. In 7 to 10 days, you'll notice your energy rising. After 3 to 4 weeks, your stamina, confidence, and blood circulation will be visibly stronger. Remember, this is not instant. It's natural transformation. Small Blue Diamond Part 4. The science behind power. When nitric oxide levels rise, your blood vessels expand. That means more blood, more oxygen, more life energy. But it doesn't just affect your physical performance, it changes how you feel. You'll notice better focus, better sleep, better workouts, and even better mood. Because when a man's blood flow improves, everything in his life improves. Confidence, motivation, attraction all return. That's why so many men, after improving their diet and circulation, say they feel like a lion again. Small Blue Diamond Part 5. Foods that work even better together. If you want to multiply the benefits of beetroot, combine it with these natural boosters. Pomegranate, another nitric oxide powerhouse. Watermelon, contains citrulline, which helps maintain erection strength naturally. Spinach, full of magnesium and zinc, key minerals for testosterone. Garlic, reduces artery stiffness and boosts blood flow. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa increases nitric oxide and dopamine, the pleasure hormone. These are not exotic superfoods. They are simple, available, and life-changing if used daily. Small Blue Diamond Part 6. Avoid these 3 energy killers. If you truly want to restore your vitality, you must avoid what destroys it. Sugar. It blocks nitric oxide production and damages blood vessels. Alcohol and smoking. They shrink blood vessels and kill testosterone. Chronic stress. It raises cortisol, which steals your energy and confidence. So eat clean, breathe deep, sleep well, and let your body become a machine again. Small Blue Diamond Part 7. The mind-body connection. Gentlemen, don't forget, your energy is not only physical, it's mental. When you start eating right, moving daily, and sleeping deeply, your brain releases more dopamine, serotonin, and testosterone. You start feeling powerful again, not because of a pill, but because you've reconnected with your natural male energy. And that's when your partner begins to notice that sparkle in your eyes, that unstoppable drive, that inner fire that says, "I'm back." Small Blue Diamond Part 8. Real-life transformation. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s rebuild their strength naturally, just by cleaning their diet, walking daily, and adding foods like beetroot and pomegranate to their routine. Within weeks, they felt alive again. Their confidence returned. Their marriages got stronger. Their energy unstoppable. Because when you take care of your blood, you take care of your life. Small Blue Diamond final message. So, gentlemen, if you've been feeling like your power has faded, remember this: your body is not broken. It's just waiting for the right fuel. Start small. 1 glass of beetroot juice a day. Avoid junk. Move your body. Sleep well. Soon your blood will start flowing like it did when you were 20. Your energy will return. Your confidence will rise. And yes, your wife might look at you one morning and say, "What happened to you?" Smile and just say, "I started eating right." Closing scene: calm, confident smile. Health is not about age. It's about circulation, vitality, and lifestyle. Take charge of your blood flow and you take charge of your manhood. Because real power begins inside you. Hit that subscribe button and join us on a journey through the timeless wisdom of the older generation. Don't miss a single life-changing lesson.